I have an update for you. Almost exactly 2 years ago, I shared the method that I use to create an accessible accordion block using advanced custom fields. Well, I am happy to report that there is now an accordion block inside Core. Now, the original method is still a really useful example of creating advanced custom fields blocks that have that parent inner blocks relationship. It's a good reference for creating an accessible accordion in general, especially if you're not using WordPress or you're adding some kind of functionality. So I will link to that video below. But if you're looking for a standard accordion, now you can use the core accordion block. So I'm going to show you what it looks like and run through a few of the key settings available to you to customize when it comes to this new accordion block. It's really similar to that original advanced custom fields method. You just search for accordion, hit enter, give it a heading, give it some text, and that's pretty much it. You add as many as you need to, and you're done. You can move them around, change the styles, pretty much anything that you need to do. It changes with your theme, so it's just like other core blocks when it comes to unopinionated styling. And there are a few settings that I want to highlight. If you go to that top level accordion block, that's where you'll find that change level for your headings. That's one of the more important aspects of this because you can customize depending on where it is on your page. And then you have a few other settings available to you, like having one open at a time under this auto close option. If you go into the item, there's an option for open by default. This accordion block really does a good job of providing you with the options that you need to do some of those really simple functional customizations, changing out heading levels. Now, there is one caveat here, and that's with the HTML markup. Most of the time, I like to put my accordion items in a list so that it's really easy to tell how many there are before having to dive into each of them. There's no HTML element selector like there is on, say, a button block to be able to set these as a list. So that's definitely something I'd like to see. So if you're building a site that uses like really long collections of accordion items, it might make more sense to still use that ACF version so you can control the markup. There are ways to modify the HTML output of a core block, but it's not something I'd recommend for most sites. But as a whole, this is a really great addition, and I'm really happy to see it in core. So try it out and let me know what you think.